Digital infrastructure. The Indian government expanding its activity in information sector, improving digital infrastructure in many sectors, implementing the Indian government is trying to implement digital infrastructure in many sectors of administration, service, logistics, healthcare, many sectors, education, learning, in many sectors, the government of India is trying to introduce digital infrastructure to, to achieve the fast and perfect service to the citizens of India. Now the government is taking India Stack Global with 24 country pacts to share solutions. Means the Indian government is entered into agreement with 24 countries to share the solutions issues in many sectors of administration, defense, law and order, education, healthcare, services, all financial, all these services. Now India has signed a memorandum of understanding with 24 countries for cooperation in sharing digital public information solutions, while the Electronic Development Fund has facilitated investments of 1,335 crores in 128 companies and startups through 8 venture capital funds. Means the central government is investing 1,335 crores, 128 startup companies through 8 venture capital funds. It means the 8 venture capital companies are guiding to invest in 128 startup companies to the extent of 1,335 crores under Electronic Development Fund. And for all these investments are being maintained, regulated by the Ministry of Information Technology. This investment will increase the capacity building, knowledge and best practice exchange, joint workshops, expert consultations, feasibility, e-readiness assessments, development, piloting and scaling of proven digital solutions. The object of investment by Economic Development Fund in 128 startups through 8 venture capital companies. This step includes the implementation framework agreement and non-disclosure agreement with the companies with the 24 countries which are entering into agreement. Also, the many other countries are showing interest to adoption of e-Sanjeevani, e-office and e-hospital being implemented by the Indian government. The EDF, Electronic Development Fund, has invested until now 258 crores in 8 daughter funds, that is called, which are SEBI registered venture funds. The daughter funds have invested in 128 companies to the extent of 257 crores and startup developing new technologies in electronic system design, manufacturing and information technology as on June 26. Electronic Development Fund has set up as a fund of funds to invest in professionally managed daughter funds that provide risk capital to startups. Investments are made based on parameters including innovation capability, indigenous technology development and other parameters. All these are expanding to all these steps are being taken by the government of India to expand information technology and digital infrastructure into many sectors of administration, service sector, healthcare, financial, defense, law and order, in many sectors, so that Indian citizens will get the fast and perfect service from the government managed sectors. The same process may be adopted by the private sector in its activity, in commercial activities like manufacturing, procurement of raw material, manufacturing, human resource management, marketing, communication, marketing, logistics, and reaching the consumers by better quality products, and better quality products to the consumers early with quality and trust, by winning the confidence of quality and trust by not only by the Indian consumers but also by the global consumers.